I wash the car using natural solutions, I clean the inside using natural solutions, and it really becomes an aromatherapy experience for everything. And I really enjoy that, and this has been such a practical solution. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to talk about the best doTERRA car wash solution that you would least expect, and it is, without further ado, snap here, it's coming up. It's the doTERRA laundry detergent. And before you say time out, Lance, laundry detergent for car wash, hear me out. Okay, let's talk about the benefits of it, and I'm going to show you how it works, because it works really well, actually. You'd be surprised. The doTERRA On Guard Laundry Detergent is an ultra-concentrated 6 times laundry detergent that utilizes the power of doTERRA On Guard Protective Blend. I'm going to show you that right now. Alright, so you got some of this up in here. It also has bio-originated enzymes to target and lift stains for amazingly clean clothes, but you can also use this to clean your car. And this is why I love this so much, because it's natural, non-toxic, and green. Alright, so how I do it basically is I'll grab, this, and then I'll grab my bucket here. Yeah, it's my bucket list. You heard me right. Alright, so I'll just put, just a little bit, maybe like a fifth of a cap full of this stuff, because again, it's very concentrated. I'll pour it in there, and I have like a hose for my car that basically has the nozzle on it that can select different types of water pressures, and I'll just put that in there. I'll fill it up about, halfway, and it gets nice and bubbly and sudsy and all that good stuff. And then I'll use this thing. That's right, it's already got some stains on it. Probably. That's right, and then I'll use this, what looks like an oven mitt, but it's not. It's for washing cars. Remember the Karate Kid? Wax on, wax off? Yeah, it's none of that, but it's just washing the car. Alright, so I use that, and then I actually use this really nice drying towel to hand dry the vehicle. And this may look like a regular towel, but it is and it isn't. It is because it's just a towel, but it's not, because this one really soaks up the water better than a lot of the other towels out there. I don't know what it is about. Maybe, I don't know. It's kind of jangly looking, but it soaks up water like nobody's business, like a thirsty person in the desert. This thing does that. And then what I also do is I use this little hand rag here that you can see, and I'll dampen it, and then I'll put some On Guard oil, and I'll wipe down the insides of my car, like the steering wheel, where hands be touching, and I'll, the dash, a lot of stuff. And it's slightly damp, so it doesn't leave everything wet. It just leaves it that, nice and smelling good. And then I'm getting the aromatherapy from the On Guard, and then I'm getting everything else. So, I wash the car using natural solutions. I clean the inside using natural solutions. And it really becomes an aromatherapy experience for everything. And I really enjoy that. And this has been such a practical solution for not just cleaning clothes and all my stuff that I use to wash the car, because I'm going to use the same detergent to wash all this stuff when I wash my clothes, but I also wash my car, and it's just amazing. There's so many uses for this, namely just washing clothes and cars. But the fact that you can wash your car, especially when it's nice out, spring, summer, fall, even winter if it's not too crazy, snowing out there, amazing. Love it. It's the best doTERRA car wash solution that you'd least expect. And now you can expect it, because it works actually really well. It has a nice bubbly type of sensation to make you feel like you washed it. And it has lots of not just health benefits, but also benefits for the cleanliness part too. So much awesomeness packed in one package. Alright, well that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates. And let me know how your car wash went when you applied the laundry detergent, alright? And, did you get a lot of bubbles? Did you get a little bit of bubbles? Was it just amazing? And did you use an oven mitt? Or, did you use a hand mitt to wash it? Or did you, and how was your towel? Was it like, the good one? Or was it the, Alright, other than that, we'll see you in the next video.